Thank you for the committee. My name is Ratu Evina, and we will present our research with title The Effectiveness of Problem-Based Learning Model through Providing Generic Science Skill in Organic Chemistry Reaction Subject. Organic chemistry is chemistry that comes from living bodies, where most of it consists of the same element, among other carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur, phosphorus, and others. Based on the observation of chemistry lecturing on Organic Chemistry 1 and 2 subject, in the last 3 years, the results show that there were many students who could not understand the concept of organic chemistry. One the way to improve chemistry organic concept mastery is by using problem-based learning model. This model is well right because a generic ability will emerge if it is supported by a student-centered learning atmosphere so that students are free to express ideas that arise in themselves and learning environment that supports student active role in learning. This study was aimed at investigating the effectiveness of the problem-based learning model by providing generic chemistry skill in organic chemistry reaction subject as well as finding out student responses to the application of the developed model. Method. This research was conducted in quasi-experimental research with one group pretest design. By using multiple choice tests consisted of 40 questions to measure student generic science skill, and gain formula by using SPSS version 20. Result and discussion. The application of problem-based learning by providing generic chemistry skill shown in table 1, which consists of the analysis of pretest and post-test average score, t-test, and two-side test of significance, which 95% of variability improve generic chemistry skill. Although the control class and experimental class each experience a significant increase. Therefore, percent and gain of both classes was compared and tested in table 2. In this slide, you can see figure 1 is conclusion of table 1 and table 2. Student response to application of the MPBM PKGK in table 3. Based on the result of this study, the attention aspect received in high average, namely 30.50. This shows that the MPBM PKGK model is applied very well to increase student attention in studying organic chemistry reaction so that it can improve generic chemical abilities. The added aspect of the concept and the active efficiency to think obtain the same score of 3.42. This shows the ability to think related to the mastery the concept of chemistry teacher candidate. The student involvement aspect also scored well with an average of 3.44. From all these aspects, it shows that MPBM PKGK is very well used to improve the generic chemical ability of professional teachers. Conclusion. The problem-based learning model through the provision of generic chemical skill is effectively used in organic chemical reaction later, which is indicated by the percent n-gain value of 78.3, which is included in the high category. The student response to the application of the MPBM PKGK is very agree and satisfied with the developed model, which is shown from the aspect of attention at concept, student involvement during the teaching and learning process, and improving student thinking skill, and hope that learning with MPBM PKGK can be sustainable. That's all our presentation. Thank you for the opportunity. That's all our presentation. That's all our presentation. Thank you for the opportunity.